Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have MARSHALL Middleton speaker and I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first, enter settings and here enter Bluetooth over here. Here disable Bluetooth for a moment and turn off your speaker with holding this button over here. Now wait 10 seconds and turn on your speaker back. Now try to charge it and check if you have charged your speaker. Then enable Bluetooth back and go into pairing mode and check if you can connect with your speaker. If you can, that's nice. If you still can't connect and can't pair, you have to do a hard reset of your device. And if you still can't connect after hard reset, which the video you can find on our channel, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!